Hello guys, welcome back once again. Yes, like I promised that I'm going to show you the second method of expanding binomial expression. Okay, now this method is also very simple. It's just that it's kind of tricky. Okay, it's very simple as well. So stay with me as I guide you on expanding this binomial expression using this method. Now, this method is called FOIL, right? FOIL. The same question. Let's see if we arrive at the same answer. Now, F stands for first two terms, O outer two terms, I inner two terms, and L last two terms. Observe these two brackets. I have this and this, right? This first one here, to apply the F here, first two terms, like the two bracket I have, you join the first two terms together. This and this. This is the first two term. This and this, that is x times 3x. So I'm going to have x times 3x. This is going to give me what? 3x squared, right? Good. The next thing, you apply this one. Outer two terms. That is, this one also represent outer from this bracket, and this is another outer from the second bracket. So I'm going to multiply this and this. Okay, so I'm going to have x times minus 7. So I'm going to have minus 7x, right? Good. The next one is inner two terms, that is minus 1 and 3x. They are the inner terms. So I have minus 1 times 3x. This will give me minus 3x, right? The next thing is last two terms. This is considered as last term, as also last term. So I have the last two terms. I will multiply them, which is minus 1 and minus 7. Minus 1 times minus 7. This will give me plus 7, right? The next thing I'll do is to combine, arrange all these things like this. Arrange them together. The first one there, I have 3x. So I have 3x squared, right? Minus 7. Minus 7x minus 3x minus 3x plus 7. Plus 7, right? So I have the same term here. So 3x squared minus 10x plus 7. You see, very simple. Okay, please let me know which of the method is very simple and you are going to apply whenever you have two brackets to expand. Okay, please like the video, share the video, invite family and friends. Okay, bye.